We're going to have a queue here, right? The queue is going to start from here. From here, the assistant presiding officer 1 would accreditate you. Afterwards, you would move to the assistant presiding officer 2. She's going to check your name in the register just to ensure that yes, your name is also there. Afterwards, you will move to me. I am going to issue a ballot paper to you. You would carry your ballot paper to the cubicle. There is an ink here. You ink your hand, you vote. You fold your paper in a rectangular form such that your ink does not transfer to any other. You understand, right? Yes. And then you put in for the respective ballot boxes.
Morning. I mean, the process is professional. You can see the PO, fantastic young lady who came out to explain the process of what needed to be done in terms of the sequence. However, I'm still waiting because the voter turnout, of course, is very low in my polling unit. But I know my phone is ringing because a lot of my people are still on their way out. Yes, I'm out here to ensure that I cast my vote and been the first person. And so it's quite peaceful. A couple of people still on their way, and it will extend up until 2:30 p.m. However, it is very, very important to state that what a state of emergency that was put by the minister, and sending conflicting messages across board, to ensure intimidation of voters, and conflicting informations is very reprehensible. This is not how a society should be run. People should be encouraged to participate, especially for civic, engagement, but to have sent out the message a night before an election. I've been here for about 40 years, and local council election, especially in AMAC, have always been peaceful. So there was no room, or need to have called for that. However, you can see the people here, very low turnout, like I said, but many more people are coming out. And I know that victory will be assured, and today a new AMAC will emerge. What I do know is that we will stand and continue to fight because it is about the people, it's about the suffering masses. And that intimidation, that kind of narrative should not have come from somebody who is the supposedly, the minister of the FCT. People should be allowed. It's about the will of the people. And we will continue to fight until the day we have leadership in Nigeria that respects the will of the people. That's what true democracy is. So yes, I'm an irredentist in the belief that one day we will have a Nigeria where we'll have objectivity, decisiveness, and love for country rather than individuals or people in power.
On va.
I don't vote in Abuja. I don't vote in Abuja. No, I'm not. Observer. That place is very necessary.
It's like it's part of the vote as well.